Being a foldable phone with a tall and narrow cover screen may not always be the hottest trend. Samsung, known for producing excellent foldable phones, has faced criticism for their devices with barely usable outer screens. However, the company is determined to turn up the heat with the sleek and refined Galaxy Z Fold 6. We've already seen numerous renders of the phone, but now we have a better glimpse of its alleged design through leaked images of dummy units. These images, shared on X, reveal a very visible crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's uncertain whether the crease has been reduced in size, but it is definitely still present. Keep in mind that these dummy units may not accurately represent the final product, especially when it comes to details like the presence or absence of a crease. So there's no guarantee that this reflects the actual crease on the Samsung Fold 6. However, there are some positive aspects suggested by these images. The Z Fold 6 dummy unit showcases a barely noticeable hinge when folded, almost resembling a non-foldable phone. Additionally, the cover screen is wider compared to the Fold 5, giving it a more conventional smartphone screen appearance and enhancing the overall user experience. By widening the cover screen, Samsung has also made the large foldable screen wider and shorter in portrait orientation. Furthermore, the phone's corners are less curvy, giving it a more angular and Galaxy S24 Ultra-like look. These last 2 points are not necessarily good or bad, but rather represent changes in the design. As for the internal screen, it also seems to have taken on a different personality. The phone's side rails have been squared off, and it also looks wider and shorter, which is not surprising, considering in its unfolded state, the phone reportedly measures 153.5 by 132.5 millimeters. For reference, the Fold 5 is 154.9 millimeters tall and 129.9 millimeters wide. To keep things real, the dummy unit made no efforts to hide the crease that's expected to grace the Fold 6, and while it may look unsightly, the reassuring news is that it will be lighter when compared to the Fold 5. The mock-up unit doesn't show all the rumored changes. In any case, we take these photos with a pinch of salt, but aside from the visible crease, they line up with leaked Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 renders, and dummy units tend to be accurate, as they're used by accessory makers to design cases before a phone launches. On the other hand, the leaker doesn't have a history of leaks, and they say they don't know how accurate this information is. So there's still some hope that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 won't have much of a crease, but we wouldn't count on it. The phone is rumored to be landing on July 10, so we might find out for sure then. Samsung will also unveil new smartwatches, its first smart ring, and new wireless earbuds at the same venue. So, how do you like these new images of the upcoming Galaxy Foldable? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.